Today I'm going to show you how to play Mia and Sebastian's theme from La La Land on the piano. Now this version is super easy and simple to play, so if you're a beginner at the piano, this is going to be perfect for you to try. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name's Brienne and I teach beginners how to play their favorite songs on the piano through reading sheet music. If that's you, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. I'd love to have you follow along. For today's tutorial of Mia and Sebastian's theme, I'm going to be showing you how to play it off of sheet music. Now, if you don't know how to read sheet music or you've been struggling to read sheet music, I'd love to show you a super simple, fast way to read sheet music that doesn't involve memorizing every single note or trying to remember all the acronyms. I've put my method into a little guide down below that you can download for free. It will just show you exactly step by step what you need to do in order to read sheet music quickly. Now, in today's tutorial, I'm only going to be going over the first part of the song, but if you would like the full sheet music, if you want to learn the whole song, you can download the sheet music at the link below at sheetmusicplus.com. Okay, let's get started playing Mia and Sebastian's theme on the piano. For this beginning part, your left hand is going to be starting with finger number 2 on B, the B that's below middle C, and your right hand is going to start with your thumb on E, finger 2 is going to be on F sharp, 3 is going to be on G. So we're going to play 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, and then finger 4 is going to play A up here, 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3 and. Now this next part has an octave sign on it, and all that means is that you're going to play the exact same notes. The only difference is you're going to go up an octave, okay? So you're going to be playing the same notes, only a little bit higher. So you're going to play 1